Climate change and air pollution will impact all of our lives. Globally, 7 million people die each year because of exposure to air pollution. Due to climate change, flooding hits coastal cities 6 times more often now than in the 1960s. And politicians take a global human issue and make it political.
It's like record cold. And I keep hearing about global warming. Now they'll say, he doesn't understand. This is a worldwide problem. Oh, no, I don't understand. Let's do IQ tests.
Now we can either accept that or we can get to work. Here's the problem. We need everyone to investigate climate change and air pollution in their own communities. But the equipment costs thousands of dollars. And climate change is a complex and global problem. In the face of overwhelming odds, we're left with only one option. We're going to have to science the out of it. My name is Clifton Roosevelt, and I'm the founder of PocketLab. We believe anyone can be a scientist, and that science doesn't just happen in the lab. We've delivered thousands of PocketLabs to educators worldwide, and now we're putting our focus on climate change and air pollution. We have launched the Climate Education Initiative. The initiative has 3 parts. 1. Anyone can be a citizen scientist by collecting their own data on emissions and pollution using PocketLab Air. 2. Users can contribute to science through mission mode, where data can be shared with researchers through the PocketLab software. The data will be open source and freely available. 3. You can help educate the next generation. This Kickstarter will make it possible for schools around the world to use PocketLab Air. We have spent the last year developing PocketLab Air, a state-of-the-art sensor to measure carbon dioxide, ozone, particulate matter, and atmospheric conditions that affect climate. PocketLab is wireless, portable, and rugged, so it's ready to go anywhere. You can use PocketLab Air to measure emissions and air pollution in your environment. Then you can map that data to your GPS location, and you can join a network of thousands of citizen scientists doing climate change research. We need the smartest people of the next generation to take on the biggest problems.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
We'll find a solution if we can inspire more young people to take on climate change instead of inventing the next Snapchat. Teachers, students, and citizen scientists love using PocketLab because they can explore the world around them in ways that were never before possible. Help us science the out of air pollution and climate change. We're back on Kickstarter to ask for your support to fund educational outreach and manufacturing. Purchase your PocketLab today and share our project with your local community to get more involved.
Air pollution is a global epidemic. From the big headlines we hear about, to the personal stories we don't, millions of people feel its effects every day. We are Cool Mask, and we have a solution. This is Hexa, the best clean air supply mask ever created. With 2 customized fans and a control dial to adjust airflow, Hexa can power up to 150 liters of clean air per minute, 20 times the amount you consume while resting. This increased clean air supply alleviates pressure from your lungs and helps you breathe better. So whether you're walking, cycling, or on the road, Hexa keeps you safe and breathing easy. Hexa's replaceable, proprietary filter provides triple layer protection against exhaust smoke, allergens, bacteria, and viruses. The filter is assembled using 3 key elements: a high-tech particle filter, military-grade active carbon fabric, and nano silver. When combined, Hexa can block lethal particles smaller than 2.5 microns, commonly known as PM 2.5. When people wear Hexa, we want them to feel free. It's light and breathable thanks to its open honeycomb structure. Its triple-layer valves efficiently release heat, moisture, and CO2, keeping the mask cool and dry. The face seal and clean airflow combine to create positive pressure, preventing any leaks and blocking out bad air. All this is powered by a separate mobile power bank, keeping Hexa flexible and safe. Hexa is compliant to international standards, including RoHS, CE, UL, FCC, FDA, and NIOSH. Hexa's control unit also doubles as an air quality sensor that can be used on its own. It detects airborne particle densities around you and alerts you with LED lights or notifications to your phone. Pollution data can be mapped out on our app, so you know exactly where Hexa is needed. And once connected to a Wi-Fi network, your air quality data can be shared with your loved ones and the Hexa community. Engineered for superior airflow, unmatched protection, and total comfort, Hexa is your bridge to clean air.
Hi, I'm Edward, and this is my son Luke. When my family lived in Asia, Luke suffered from asthma caused by air pollution.
We looked for a face mask, but finding a good one was impossible.
So we built Hexa.
We have been developing Hexa for 2 years. We have assembled a phenomenal team of engineers and software developers helping us through a dozen designs and prototypes. For this final version, we're looking to Kickstarter to help us fund our tooling and our production.
With Hexa, I can travel anywhere without worrying about air pollution.
We want to give you and your loved ones the same peace of mind. We hope you can share and back our campaign. Thank you.
It's like having a fresh breeze in your face, even when there isn't any breeze around. No moisture, no hot air in there. My goatee was dry, even after having taken a quick run.
It's lightweight. It doesn't feel like the mask doesn't feel like it's going to shift off of my face at all. The airflow is better. It seems to seal better around my beard and around my face. You guys should have had this at Burning Man. I think you could have sold a lot of these.
Normally on a day like today, I have fine dust going down, and this prevented that. It feels comfortable breathing in, and like I said, I was impressed that I didn't feel hot. With my mother-in-law going through leukemia, we've had to wear masks and she's had it, and I can see this being huge for that.
A lot of times when you're riding behind a bus or behind a semi, you get a lot of the carbon monoxide chunks from the diesel, and it really pelts your face, and this stops that, and you're not breathing it. It's a good product, and I'd use it.
With this, I'm counting on that seal, otherwise the dust is going around it. Here, on this device, the fan is actually blowing through the filter, and even if I don't have a perfect seal, it's blowing clean air in.
A lot easier to breathe. I wasn't labored breathing. It felt good at speed and at full speed.
I liked that the little power pack just slipped right into my pocket. It was easy. The air always felt fresh inside the mask, whereas when I was wearing the paper mask, the air started to feel really stale. And I also have to say, I felt kind of cool wearing it. So. Yeah, definitely.
Imagine a device allows you to freeze your best moments without breaking your day, with no stress of using invasive technology or screens that distract your mind. That's why we created Cleep, a wide-angle Full HD camera to wear like a bracelet. Cleep recognizes the AR moment and it turns on. Just one tap to take high-quality photos, 2 taps for Full HD video, straight from your wrist. So you can instantly capture your expected moment anywhere at any time. Cleep automatically saves your stories. With wireless syncing, you can relive it whenever you want. Hi, my name is Giulio Cesarelli. I'm CEO and founder of Cleep. The idea of Cleep project came up from a problem. In fact, during my travel, I love to take many photos and videos. But every time, I find myself with a smartphone in the hand, watching the screen, instead to enjoy the real moment. It's really unbearable. So, from here, the idea of Cleep project, and one mission. Give people the opportunity to capture and enjoy their experience at the same moment. Since then, I've built a team of engineer, marketer, and designer. And together, we start discovering what people really need to enjoy their experience of capturing photos and videos. After the idea validation, we have built our first prototype to test all features and user needs. We have been working very hardly during the last 8 months, and now we have come up to the final product. And the same mission as we start: improve people experience of taking photos and videos. Now we need your support to start our first production and go into the market. So, if you want to improve the way you capture your experience, back us now. And remember, Life is made up of moments. Now you can capture it more easily. Enjoy your experience with Cleep.